tornado kick is a study in controlled chaos. A quick spin confuses your opponent. Then one knee is thrust into the air, launching your entire body high enough to fire a powerful kick.
In this video, I'm going to be showing to do the regular tornado kick. It's a spinning kick that has been used in mostly Taekwondo, but Karate also have it. So it's in a circular motion, and this is the best exercise once you master the regular roundhouse or mawachi-geri, and this is the regular way to do it. So with your kick back, with the, let's say, the right leg back, your fighting stance, whatever is your fighting stance, you throw a roundhouse, then the left leg jump, always looking at your opponent this way, and the leg goes all the way. So it will be something like kick and go. On the other side, it's the same, kick and go. So when I do it that way, you're in your fighting position, roundhouse and kick. So that's the tornado kick. Always remember, twist your body and do the kick.